Hello everybody, hope everyone is having a good day and a good week so far, and welcome to my channel. This is a room vanity. This is my vanity tour. This is what's on my vanity at the moment. I will be changing this around pretty soon, probably this weekend sometime. I've been reorganizing everything because I have a lot of makeup. Yeah, so this is my vanity area. I got this vanity, God, a long time ago. I got this at my local Myers store. They don't even make these anymore. I got this back in '01 or '02 for Christmas. So yeah, and I just have some little decorations over here. And then I have some palettes over here. I love Elf. Of course, my LA colors. And I got a whole bunch of different palettes over here. And then over here I got my Dollar Tree stuff. Those are all of my color workshop and all of my lipsticks, lip oils, and just all of my lip stuff. And then in that white container I have all of my palettes, all of my new ones, and some of my old ones. And then over here I have just a whole bunch of knickknacks and whatnot. I have some makeup in here. I have my NYX box of eyeshadows. I love that eyeshadow palette. And then of course I have some more brushes. I have my Jekyll and Hill. This is all of my Morphe right here. These are all of my Morphe eyeshadows. I love Morphe. And all in here, I got this on Amazon. I just have like little eyeshadows. Just like eyeshadows in here. Stuff like that. Lipsticks. Just, you know, little eyeshadow palettes. Rimmel and NYX. And up here I have some Celine Dion. I actually got this one in Las Vegas at her store. I got this one for Christmas, and I got this from a friend. The Happy Clinique perfume. I really love that. She just gave it to me. She didn't like it, and she just gave it to me. Some of my very first palettes, my Lorac. I got my Urban Decay, and I got some, the Balm up there. I love the Balm. I really like their products. So, this is on all of this side. And all of this side is just like I said, knickknacks. The Stay Home cup I got over at Kroger. These are all of my brushes. The unicorn I got over at Meijer a couple years ago. I got some Hello Kitty stuff. I got some more stuff over here. And this is just like all of my summer clothes that I wear in the summertime. And I have some more stuff over here. In here I have more stuff in here. And of course over here I got my fake Louis purses that I got on Amazon. And over here I just have clothes. And of course I have my stuffed animal, my Hello Kitties, and my Valentine's Day hearts that I got at the Dollar Tree. And I got some unicorns and stuff in it, a little bit of everything. Come back over here. Like I said, those are my color workshop. I highly recommend the color workshop. They are really overrated products. I love the blushes. Like I said, those are just all my Dollar Tree lip stuff. And this is the overview of my vanity. Just very, very simple. So yeah. Like I said, the vanity is from my local Meijer, and they just don't make these anymore. It was a Christmas gift. Don't mind the hangers on the floor, guys. Like I said, I've been cleaning my bedroom, so don't mind that. So yeah, this is how it looks for right now, and I'll probably be changing it probably over the weekend. So yeah, this is the overhaul of my vanity for 2020. If you guys like my videos, please like, sub, and comment. Thanks for watching. And don't forget, be positive and stay positive.